took a long road just to understand why I feel deeper than I planned, why I burn bright then fade to gray, why some days I rise, some days I sway. I try to fix what I thought was wrong, try to rewrite my own life song. Thought I was broken, out of line, never knew the stars were mine. Every square, every opposition, every doubt and every friction wasn't failure, wasn't shame, just a map that had my name. Now I'm alright as I am, sun and shadow hand in hand, all my angles, all my scars written in the sky and stars. I don't have to be someone new, every flaw is part of truth. I'm not wrong, I understand, I'm exactly as I am. Moon and water, heart too wide, Mars and Libra trying to decide, Pluto pulling from below, teaching me what I must outgrow. Every transit shook my ground, every ending came around, not to break me, not to blame, just to help me know my name. Every trying and every square, every time I felt unfair, wasn't cursing, wasn't fall, it was timing after all. Now alright as I am, sun and shadow hand in hand, all my aspects, every scar, sacred just the way they are. I don't need to chase the light, darkness taught me how to fight. I'm not lost, I understand, I'm exactly as I am. Human design in every line, 64 gates, this life is mine. 360 degrees of truth, nothing wasted from my youth. I was never too much fire, never wrong for my desire. I was learning how to see